Oh, this is so exciting. Welcome to this week's video. It has been weeks in the making. I told you that there were surprises, one of which was the Today Show appearance. And I have to tell you, the coolest part about that was seeing the women in the crowd there.
I am dying. I am all the way from South Africa to see you.
It was mind-blowing. It was a once-in-a-lifetime thing. I mean, if there were ever a bucket list item, I would have to say the appearance on the Today Show would be one of those to check off of the list. But it was just yet another reminder of this beautiful, loving, and supportive audience. And so I told you that I was working on a super huge giveaway of the likes I have never done before. It is my 1 million subscriber giveaway. In fact, perfect timing. This just arrived from YouTube. Would you look at this thing? It's like a gold record, but it's awesome. It says presented to Dominique Sachse for passing 1 million subscribers. So thank you, YouTube, for this piece of art, which will be hung maybe here in the closet somewhere. But I am so thrilled to share this with you. What I've decided to call this is my New Year, New You giveaway. And as I start laying out what's involved in all of this and all the things that are a part of the giveaway, you will totally understand this. But I just think it's such a neat way to help kick your resolutions off on a right foot. I know that we all like to round the corner in the new year, and everybody has that reset button that they like to hit in terms of doing better, being better, feeling better. But I was thinking, wouldn't it be special if that could happen right here in Houston? Maybe you could hit that reset button right here with me. And so it's going to happen. This giveaway will include a round trip airfare ticket to Houston, Texas, to hang out with me for a very long weekend. Now, we're not just going to hang, we're going to be doing things. So let me first have you look at your calendar, because the weekend that I have blocked out is in the middle of January. January 17th through the 20th. That is a Friday through a Monday, the 17th through the 20th of January. So make sure you got nothing going on that weekend, because I can guarantee you're going to have everything going on that weekend, because I'm going to fly you to Houston and we're going to do a bunch of things. The first thing that we are going to do, I'm going to put you up at a great property here in town. It's called the Houstonian Hotel, and it's located on 27 wooded acres right in the heart of Houston. It's comfortable, it's elegant, it really has such a neat getaway feel. In fact, there is a fitness center on the property, and Nick and I have been members there forever and a day. It's great for us, it's a great retreat, and it's going to be a great place for you to stay while you are here. And you will also have access to that fitness center as well. So if that is a part of your New Year's resolutions, we will not be getting in your way. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do, we must go shopping, because you see, a new year is going to require a new you, and it's going to start with makeup. So I'm going to take you makeup shopping, and I'm going to buy you a new set of makeup for a full face makeup demo. And after I buy all that makeup for you, I'm going to sit down with you and I'm going to do an application on you and show you how to apply it. We can go over some ideas, some looks that you're trying to create, maybe some issues that you're trying to hide, and we can come up with all different kinds of techniques. And I want to, buy you a nice eyeshadow palette that offers variety from day to night. You name it. I mean, it's going to be everything. It's going to be primer, it's going to be foundation and powder and eyeshadows and mascara and brows and lips and everything. So we're going to take care of that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to head over to my friend Cerrone and have him do your hair at Cerrone's Salon. And he recorded this little video clip for you.
What was, just say hello? Yeah. Hi, how are you? No, hello. Hi. Stop it. Hi, I'm so excited. Whoever is the person who's coming. No, I don't want to say whoever. Let's do it again. Hello. Hi, how are you? Okay, one more time. Take two. Hi, I cannot wait to meet you. I'm so excited because, Dominique and I, we're going to really have fun with you. I hope you're ready to cut, haircut, to do color, haircut, color. Dominique, I'm sure, is going to do a fabulous makeover with your makeup. And just have fun. We're going to have so much fun. And on top of everything, you're going to leave with a giant basket of fabulous products from Sterling Hair Studio. So I cannot wait to meet you. Thank you.
Okay, as you can see, we're going to have a total blast because Saron is a hoot. Not only is he a hair genius, but he is so much fun to be around. So much fun. So I figure we'll let him do your hair, and then he's got a beautiful space right there in his salon where I can do your makeup afterwards. So it's like all happening at one place. Okay, so then after that, it's not done. What we're then going to do is I'm going to take you out to dinner. And we will dine at Tony's restaurant here in Houston. And if you follow my videos, one of my more recent videos is how to eat healthy while dining out. And I did that video at Tony's because Tony is a master of beautiful food, but he also knows how to make really good food healthy if you want to go that route. So let's say that's part of your New Year's resolution. I don't want to ruin it. So you can continue on the healthy track. And of course, if you want to bust it, you can do truffle pasta. It's totally up to you. But I just want to give you that option. So we're going to have a really, really nice meal together. And I'm so looking forward to it. And we can get to know each other. So then on Sunday, I figure I'll give you like a day to chill because you might be exhausted by this point. So you can do whatever you want to do if you want to work out or, if you want to do some shopping with me. Who knows what other things might present in this weekend. But it's going to conclude with an appearance on Houston Life TV. Houston Life is a really cool show that airs on my station, KPRC TV. And they're just so much fun. My two dear friends co-host it, Derek Shore and Courtney Savala, and they do food and family and fun and fitness and makeovers and hair. It's like a little bit of everything with a local flavor. So your whole weekend experience and you, along with me, will be on that show that Monday. We will be on that show at 1 p.m. talking about your experience and your makeover. So don't be camera shy. Please. There's so much to do. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what on earth do I need to do to enter this crazy, amazing, over-the-top giveaway? Because I kind of think it is. I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet you. Okay, so this is what you do. In the description of this video that you're watching on YouTube is a link, and the link is going to take you to the entry form. All you have to do is fill it out, subscribe to my channel. You can share it if you like. You will verify your email, and that is how you will win. And you can also find this entry form, by the way, on my personal website, dominiquesachse.tv/giveaway. Let me repeat, dominiquesachse.tv/giveaway. That's another place where you can find the entry form. Again, it's so much easier if you click the link in the description because it's here for you right now. And it's going to be open. I figured it makes sense to leave this giveaway open for a really long time because it's going to give it a chance for people to hear about it, find out about it. And I'm going to close it off on December 15th at midnight. The winner will be randomly and electronically drawn on the 16th, and I will announce it on all of my social media platforms. So I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Please follow me there. Follow me one, follow me all, because I will make the announcement as to who is winning on December 16th on those platforms. And then you will be arriving here in Houston literally a month later on January 17th. So you'll have a month to plan and prepare. Plenty of time, right? What do you think? Is this cool? Does this work? Oh my God, I'm so excited. I just cannot wait. I just cannot wait. It reminds me a little bit. I got a slight taste of this when I was in New York on the Today Show, and I got to meet that lovely, lovely, lovely woman from Canada who I just adore her. And we had that chance to connect backstage and to do makeup and to talk, and it was amazing. It was an amazing experience, and I will never forget it. So I have a feeling this is going to be something that I will never forget. Words cannot describe the feeling of this, and this happened because of you. You have kind of opened up something in me that has really fulfilled my life in such a profound way. And this giveaway only scratches the surface of how great you make me feel. And so I just had to do something to reciprocate, because I honestly cannot explain how cool it is to be here with you. So again, please click the link, fill out the form. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and fill out that entry form. That's it. There is no cost to enter. And I cannot wait to see who it's going to be. I cannot wait. I will be documenting that entire weekend, and that will be a video as well. So again, don't be camera shy because you're just going to be everywhere. I'm sorry. Oh my, go out, be bold, be blessed. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I have my fingers crossed. Till next week.